Why is urban planning data challenging for future trends? Urban planning data in the United States presents several hurdles that make it tricky to anticipate and manage future trends. Understanding these challenges can help us see why effective urban planning is so complex. First, data fragmentation and inconsistency are major issues. Urban planning data comes from various sources like government agencies, private companies, and local municipalities. These sources do not always share data well. Different state-level data privacy laws create legal barriers that prevent combining data on a national scale. This makes it hard for planners to access the comprehensive datasets they need to analyze demographic shifts and urban dynamics across different regions. Next, data quality and completeness are often lacking. Some urban areas do not have strong data collection systems. This leads to outdated, incomplete, or geographically biased data. Because of this uneven coverage, demographic information can be more detailed in some cities than in others. This limits planners' ability to make accurate future projections or compare trends across urban environments. The complexity of urban systems and demographic changes adds another layer of difficulty. Urban environments are influenced by many factors such as migration patterns, economic shifts, housing markets, transportation, and environmental conditions. Predicting future trends requires data that captures these relationships over time. Unfortunately, current datasets often do not integrate these factors effectively. Technological challenges also impact data usability. Emerging tools like artificial intelligence, three-dimensional modeling, and digital twins show promise for urban planning. However, artificial intelligence models can be opaque, making it difficult for planners to trust the insights they provide. If the demographic data inputs are biased or inaccurate, it complicates matters further. Additionally, the standardization of data formats is limited, which makes sharing and integrating data across cities and platforms more challenging. Ethical and privacy concerns also play a role in data collection and sharing. Protecting individual privacy in demographic data is important, but strict regulations can limit access to detailed data needed for planning. Finding a balance between privacy and the need for detailed demographic information is an ongoing challenge. Practical applications of demographic data in urban planning include using geospatial data to map population distributions and housing density. This helps optimize zoning and infrastructure development in response to demographic changes. Integrating demographic trends with environmental data can also help plan sustainable urban growth that meets changing population needs. Community engagement is another important aspect. Utilizing open data initiatives and augmented reality can involve diverse demographic voices early in the planning process. This helps avoid delays or conflicts in urban projects. Artificial intelligence can be applied cautiously, with ongoing data auditing to reduce bias and increase transparency in demographic forecasting and urban policy decisions. Urban planning data challenges for future trends in the United States stem from fragmented data sources, gaps in quality and coverage, the complexity of urban demographic interactions, technological limitations, and privacy concerns. Addressing these challenges requires improved data sharing frameworks, standardization, ethical practices, and the integration of innovative technologies that align with demographic realities.